let's just say we all know Aldon Baker for years has been the trainer that you wanted to go to if you were going to be championship contender, championship winner. I mean, and his list of people he has trained and who have won is incredible. We're talking Ricky Carmichael, James Stewart, Ryan Villapoto, Ken Roxon, Ryan Dungey, Marvin Muscan, Jason Anderson, Zach Osborne, Adam Cianciarillo, Cooper Webb, Malcolm Stewart, and on. And if you look at that name, there's a lot of championships in that little group of people. A lot of multiple championships, a lot of race wins, incredible stuff. But my thing is now, there is the look at least that he's kind of losing his favor with people. Uh, you still have Malcolm Stewart, Aaron Plessinger, Christian Craig, RJ Hampshire. They're still training at the Baker's factory, which is good. You know, that's the KTM group basically. You know, here's one KTM, couple and Husqvarna guys. But with the new KTM guy coming in, Chase Sexton, saying, "Nah, I'm good. I have my own program, and I don't want to do this." And then you have the news that last year, obviously, Tom Vial, a very promising, very fast, very skilled rider, comes over and races nationals, and he leaves before the 2023 the national start, saying he's not interested in that kind of training. It doesn't look very good. I mean, obviously, he has no championship title winners now. No, I mean, obviously, you have like Craig and Stewart who are 250 guys, but I'm saying like he has no big name 450 guys who are running championships or have multiple championships or, you know, let's be honest, even looking like they're really going to be winning a championship anytime soon. As much as you like Plessinger and Stewart and Craig, they're not championship guys, I don't think, especially this year with how packed and how talented and how many championships you have just running so far. So it's kind of weird because like for years, this is a guy that everyone wanted to go to. Everyone wanted to train with him because if you go there, you're gonna win. You're gonna be, you know, the front running guy. And now you have big name. I mean, especially like Chase Sexton in his own thing, signs with KTM. You know, Al Baker has been the KTM guy, the trainer for all of their people, and now he's saying, nah, like he has his own trainer, which is great. And if it's a program and it's effective for him and he likes it and it's working, sure, stay with it. It's fine. But to just go, hey, yeah, I know this guy's been really good. He's made many championships out of people. Meh, I'm fine with it. It doesn't look very good. And maybe I'm just wrong. You know, as an outside spectator of this sport, I have very little inside knowledge or insight to this. This is just purely opinion based, and I don't know. This is why I'm just making this video. You guys can comment down below. If you know more than I do, sure, comment down below. Tell me I'm wrong, or tell me I'm right, or whatever. Tell me your opinion down below. I want to hear it. Never hurts to have a little discourse and conversation. But in that, on that, while I said it, go down and comment below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because obviously it very much helps me and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.